Hello students, welcome to my channel Quick with Egg. Today I'm gonna teach you about different types of egg, which is an important topic of development biology. So let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see, the eggs are classified into three types. That is, first one is the amount of yolk, second one is the distribution of yolk, and the third one is the presence and absence of this shell. So let us see the first one, that is the amount of yolk. So what is yolk, right? So yolk is a mixture of macromolecules. दो टाइप के मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, macro molecules and micro molecules. The macro molecules are like very essential for us. So this yolk is a mixture of protein, phospholipids and fats. So on the basis of amount of yolk, the eggs are of these three types. First one is microlecithal, second one is mesolecithal and third one is macrolecithal. नो नीड टू वरी, बहुत ही ईजी है. थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो बिकॉज नाम में ही इसके पूरे तुमको पता चल जाएगा कि अमाउंट ऑफ योग कितना है. माइक्रो इट मीन्स थोड़ा अमाउंट, मीसो इट मीन्स अ मॉडरेट अमाउंट, एंड माक्रो इट मीन्स वेरी large amount, or the cytoplasm is less and the amount of yolk is more. So these microlecithal type of egg is seen in the human females and sea urchin. So why in human female the amount of yolk is very less, and in other it is like more or moderate amount? So the reason is in humans the developing embryo, the nutritions for the developing embryo is कहाँ से आता है nutrition? From the placenta of the mother. So the nourishment provided for the developing embryo in human females is because of the presence of placenta of mother. So that's why the amount of yolk is very less in the human, female and the sea urchin. So the second one is mesolecithal. Meso it means a moderate amount of yolk is present in the egg and it is seen in amphibians. The third one is macrolecithal. Macrolecithal it means a very large or great amount of yolk is present. It is seen in the reptiles. So let me show you how this all differ. So first one is microlecithal. So just consider the black one which I am taking here. Let consider is as a cytoplasm. तो जो एग है उसमें साइटोप्लाज्म होता है और योक होता है. अब कितने अमाउंट में योक है उसके बेसिस पर ये सब जो एग्स डिवाइड होंगे. ठीक है. सो अगर कंसीडर करो ये है साइटोप्लाज्म, तो इसमें मोर अमाउंट ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म है एंड लेस अमाउंट ऑफ योक है. लेस अमाउंट ऑफ योक एंड मोर अमाउंट ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म. इट इज अ माइक्रोलेसिथल एग. ये कौन से टाइप का एग हुआ? माइक्रोलेसिथल. इट मीन्स ये जो योक अमाउंट ऑफ जो ये योक है बहुत कम है एज कंपेयर टू द ब्लैक वन इज साइटोप्लाज्म. Humans having this microlecithal type of egg. So please remember the example humans and sea urchin. Second one is mesolecithal. Meso, as I already said, moderate amount. So that means this is an egg. So moderate. Just consider half of this egg is filled with cytoplasm and the half of this egg is filled with the yolk. In this, a moderate amount of yolk is present. This is yolk and this one is cytoplasm. इसमें yolk quantity is equal or moderate? Equal or moderate? Both are same. So this type of egg is mesolecithal, and remember the example. I'm saying this again and again because examples are very important. Microlecithal human being, sea urchin. Mesolecithal is seen in what? Amphibians, right? So let us see the third one, which is macrolecithal. In macrolecithal type of egg, macro means the amount of egg is more. So this is a yolk which is more as compared to the cytoplasm. So here reverse of microlecithal is macrolecithal. So here the let me write this with this pen. So here the quantity of yolk is more than the quantity of cytoplasm. Okay, so it is seen in reptiles, right? So microlecythal is seen in human beings and human females and sea urchin. Mesolecythal is seen in amphibians and macrolecythal is seen in the reptiles. Second one, that is the distribution of yolk. So how the yolk is distributed? So on the basis of their distribution, the egg is of these three types. The first one is isolecythal, which is also known as homolecythal. Second is centrolecythal and third one is telolecythal. So isolecythal, which is also known as homo, it means equal or same. So here also the name itself indicates how the yolk is distributed in the egg. So the isolecythal type of egg, in this type of egg, let me explain you with this diagram, and this red one is the yolk. So here you can see the yolk is distributed uniformly or equally. So it is seen in human. So the human egg, as here we see the in the amount of yolk, we saw the example of human in which in the microlecythal. So human egg is microlecythal, it means the amount of yolk is less, and it is isolecythal, that is the yolk is uniformly distributed. So it is, the human egg is microlecythal and isolecythal. The amount of yolk is less and it is distributed uniformly or equally. The yolk is distributed uniformly or equally. Second one is centrolecythal. This type of eggs are seen in insects. So if this is an egg, so centro, it means the yolk is present in the center of the egg. So this is yolk, and this yolk is present in the center, and it is surrounded by the cytoplasm. So the third one is telolecythal egg. So it is seen in hens or bird egg. If you cut the boiled hen's egg, you will see the white portion and the yellow portion. So the yellow one is yolk. जो yellow color का होता है वो उसका yolk होता है. So इसमें जो है, इसमें in isolecythal type of egg, I already said the yolk is uniformly or equally distributed, but the telolecythal is reverse of this isolecythal egg. इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें यूनिफॉर्मली और इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होता है योग, बट इसमें द योग इज अनयूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होता है, और ये हैंस एंड बर्ड में आपको देखने को मिलेगा. नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड वन, द टाइप ऑफ एग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द प्रेजेंस एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ द शेल. शेल क्या होता है? शेल जो है एक हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो कि एग को प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है. ये शेल जो है कैल्शियम से बना हुआ था, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. तो एक कैल्कारियट शीट फॉर्म होती है एग के ऊपर, जिसको हम शेल कहते हैं. तो अगर किसी भी एग में शेल प्रेजेंट है तो उस एग को कहेंगे क्लियोडिक एग, और अगर किसी एग में ये शेल एब्सेंट है तो उसे कहेंगे नॉन क्लियोडिक एग. So simple. If the shell is present, that egg is called as cleoric egg, and if the shell is absent, then that egg is called as non-cleoric egg. Example of cleoric egg is reptile, insects and bird. These all are oviparous, and all the viviparous animals come under the non-cleoric egg. Let's take a quick revision. So the type of egg. So the type of egg is classified into three types: amount of yolk, distribution of yolk, and the presence and absence of the shell. So हमने इसमें क्या देखा था? अमाउंट ऑफ yolk कितने अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है, इसके जो है थ्री टाइप थे. फर्स्ट था माइक्रो, सेकेंड था मीजो, एंड थर्ड वन वाज माक्रो. माइक्रोलेसिथल, मीजोलेसिथल एंड माक्रोलेसिथल. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ yolk, इसमें भी हमने देखे थे थ्री टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज isolecythal, second one is centrolecythal, and third one is telolecythal. lethal egg. एंड प्रेजेंस एंड एब्सेंस ऑप्शन क्लियोडिक एंड नॉन क्लियोडिक. इसके 3 टाइप्स है, इसके 3 टाइप्स है, इसके 2 टाइप्स है. If you guys like my quick video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.